welcome back. Let me change these things quick. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we're gonna trade the first week of September, which starts now, going on to a monthly. Hold up, let me actually move this a little higher. Okay, and that down a little bit. All right, cool. So going on to a monthly basis, let's see what the previous month did. We came down, tapped into this monthly fair value gap, and rejected higher. I still like longs here. I like longs bare minimum over here, and then I guess continuation higher. Going into the daily, sorry. Okay, going into the daily, you can see we've been playing with this fair value gap and this fair value gap for a few days, but I want to see maybe come down here, and potentially even lower over here. It'd be nice if we got down there because there's also an order block and a mitigation block, so I like it. Going into a weekly, yeah, still expanding higher, delivering from this weekly inefficiency below us. Daily, we could see we've been just grinding slowly higher, so we may expect like a little retracement lower and then continuation higher, down into this fair value cap over here first. Hourly, we just this is Sunday, so let's go ahead and go to the PM. But first, let me just make sure. September 6th. Yeah, we don't have non-farm payroll yet. Okay. Only have news on Wednesday. So let's go to the PM. Oh, there's nothing. Okay, so let's go to the next day, AM. September. Interesting. I'm surprised we didn't have anything there. Yeah, interesting. Okay. So now going into this AM session, we tapped into the daily, swept the liquidity below. I'm pretty bullish for the day. So let's see if we could get any trades going using that. 15-minute inversed up here. That's good. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna look for longs. Maybe sweep of some type of sell side first. Okay, that's make a little sort. Yeah, I don't know, man. I kind of wanted to see a little better entry than. Okay. Oh, let's see here. What do? We come up. We tap a 4-hour order block. Hourly fair value gap up here. It's been tapped many times. I'm still liking longs, honestly. Oh, that's a 15-minute, but yeah, I still like longs. There's a potential short right there on a 2-minute basis. I'm not really liking it though. I like the slow. I gotta see better price action than this. Okay, so up that finally. Alright, it looks like it may long now. See, there's an SMT as well, so that's good. There's also an SMT with these highs, so SMT on both sides, I guess. But we have 5-minute right here with the 10 a.m. opening lower, so it's perfect. Okay, 5-minute inversed, close above the mean threshold of the body. I personally like longs here now, so let's try to take some, see what we could get. A little breaker, order block, fair value gap. I like that. Up to that for a 1-to-1, and then beyond that we have, it's on the hourly basis. We have this high up here. So okay, yeah. So we have this high up here, and these highs up here as well. All right. So we'll do TPs along the way. But we'll risk 0.5 is fair for this trade, honestly. Alright. We came back and took these equal highs that we formed. And that's honestly kind of want to say it's like a. So we have two options. Oh, we respected the. Or I'm gonna go break even there. There's TP1. We'll close out 75 and just let the rest run. Okay, I'm gonna trail my stop to below this little breaker right here, low, high, lower, low. Bang, baby. Nice little trade to start off the day, the week, I mean, with 1.5k in the trade. I should have traded more than 0.5%, but it was the first trade of the week, and you can also see the market structure. Sometimes I just don't have much confidence in it, you know, like if it's like looking like this, like chop, you know, I trade it light. I take it lighter when it stays like this. All right, let's go to the PM. All right, liquidity built up there. Hourly inverse, yeah, it's a clear bullish structure, honestly. 4 hour going to inverse. Yeah, it's pretty obvious, honestly. I saw liquidity there. Let's see if we get a retracement of any sorts. Preferably below, like, damn, a lot of low resistance liquidity, so we just gotta see. Come on, give me, okay, that's good, oh, that looks good. 15-minute tap. Over 5-minute above us. 2-minute, about to inverse in 1 minute, so let's see. We didn't inverse. Still didn't. Still didn't. Still didn't. Still didn't. There we go, there's the inverse. I'm hoping we didn't tap anything yet. No, we didn't. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna take these longs. Stop below the low. TP1 here. Risk 0. Honestly, 1% is going on this trade because I'm gonna go break even quick. Ah. Okay. Damn, that hurt. How much was it? 2 point. Damn. I wanted to go break even at that 5-minute above us. Fucking hell. It's probably gonna run without us now, isn't it? And there's our break even point. Okay, give me a second here. Hold up. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. Tap that 15-minute, come up, tap that 5-minute, and then we inversed. Is there 4? No, we inversed the 1-minute lower right here. Kinda wanna short it against the slow resistance liquidity, honestly. Place order 0.7. Also, took a huge loss. 1% to be exact. I gotta like be sure that one. I mean, we did break through the mean threshold. Do we have equal lows? Do we have equal lows? Do you have an SMT? I have an SMT with the lows. That though. Okay, we could try here for like 0.5. Ah, fuck. I mean, shit, I shouldn't have taken that, bro. I knew. Fuck, that looks a little better. Nah, I'm not taking anything here. I'm going to the... Yeah, we should have just waited it out. Oh, okay, it's fine. That was my mistake. I should have played it smarter. Damn it, we don't have anything to trade off of. And we tapped the... Damn, man. It's okay. Wait, I kind of want to take that short. We swept these highs. Can have a retracement through all that. If we did have a 2-minute, so there is that 2-minute. This is like a... I already tapped it as well. It would be like, this would be my break-even point, targeting all that low resistance liquidity. It's more of a mechanical short, honestly. It's more so mechanical. We swept that high. Huge SMT. Low resistance. 4-hour liquidity swept above us. You know, and we're still in this daily fair value gap. Like, we can short it, is what I'm trying to say here. Like, we're definitely bullish, but it's a mechanical model. It's like the main thing. Like, in my mind, this is a mechanical. We have 1 minute before the 2-minute inverses. There we go. So it'd be like break even as soon as possible, which would be here. Targeting this entire low resistance liquidity. Maybe even down here. Because it looks like it wants to run, honestly. Because especially with how it builds up like this. Like, instant rejection lower. Alright, we're going to try it. Light size, honestly. 9 points. Yeah, and then we'll target anything like this right here is good. We'll do 0.7 on this, and we'll go break even quick. Literally right there would be my break even point. We can TP one because it is a 5-minute as well. So we'll TP like 25% off that because it might be very bullish here. Yeah. Okay. There's a 5-minute inversion. The 15-minute right below us now though, so I don't know if I should have taken it honestly. Oh, that short looks nice, but it's at 3 o'clock, so I can't take it. Oh, that's what I wanted to see happen earlier, bro. Come on. Oh, that's whack as fuck. It would have been my TP. There's this move right here I wanted to see here, but it went up again and again. It's fine. Then we took a huge hit. Not really, actually. We only lost like 1%. Huh? Let me do the math on this actually, just to make sure. 1,489 minus 2,231 minus 1,000 minus 267. Oh, we lost 1.5%, honestly. It's a lot. Let's go to the next session. I'm not worried, we'll make it back quick. To 10 a.m. news right now. Ankle highs right there. Right? No, it's not ankle highs. Okay, well, looking at this, tapping the daily again. Okay, so we are coming down like I said we would. It's just 1 hour, 4 hour right here. Liquidity. 1 hour. It's looking pretty bare for now. We have 15 minutes. We have a 5 minute above us, so let's see if we can get into that 5 minute right there. 5 minute tapped. We have a 4 minute. Just opened up, but I don't want to take it now, but it's risky, honestly. Okay, there it is. Oh, wait, we didn't even get the 4 minute. Yeah, well, can't take that now. Might be able to take that, though, up to the 15 minute. We're still in the daily. 15 minute right above us. Looks kind of good, honestly. Fuck, it kind of does look good. So we inverse the 1 minute after we accept that. If there's an SMT, I'll take it, honestly. There's none. Unless it's on the 4 hour. There's a huge SMT at the 4 hour. I'm conflicted. Do I take that up to the 15 minutes? Only reason I'm like, thinking about it is because we did not close below this. It inverse right around. Yeah, this candle was in the inverse. Okay, we'll take it. Yeah, we'll take it up there and then short. Main reason I'm taking this trade too is because we demolished the main threshold with this order block. So I'm gonna long. Stop will be below, like, I want to do this order block. I'll do like right here, honestly. TP up there to the 15 minute. Break even, there's equal highs. So I'd go break even past these equal highs up here. That'd be like the smartest thing to do. 0.7 is fair. Yeah, so yeah, I'm break even on this trade. So there was literally no point taking that at all. So yeah, there's definitely no point taking it. That was the most wasteful, like, I don't know, that was the most waste of time ever. Well, let's see if it works. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, that's so obvious. Come on. How can this not be any more obvious? Like, up to that 15 minute, all that liquidity. Oh, that's obvious as fuck. Fuck me. No, well deserved. Well deserved. I should not rush into it. If we had gone... No, we didn't even get break even. No. Damn. 5 minutes before 11 a.m. too. I would have never taken that trade. Alright, whatever. Let's go to the PM. I should have risked 1%. That was stupid of me to do. Wow. That's okay. We'll make a comeback right now. Daily tapped. We're just plummeting, honestly. So if we get a retracement higher, like into this 15 minute, I'll try to get some shorts. Or even take this right here. If there's an SMT, I might take that one. That 1 minute inversion, because we are in a 4 hour fair value gap, a huge, and a daily too. Okay. Daily fair value gap order block. That's the kind of thing I wanted to see. I even said it earlier in the live stream. Coming down into that daily order block fair value gap would be nice for longs. We have an unfilled hourly above. And then we have 15 minute right here. And right here. We'll do TPs along the way. I like that long, honestly. Coming into a daily. or dumping on yeah, so I like I'm expecting a retracement, honestly, especially tapping into the lower end for value gaps. There's definitely a retracement coming in, but keep our mind open for potential longs. But yeah, this is pretty obvious longs. Yeah, equal highs up there too is insane. So we might even be able to target that equal high. Stop below there. TP1 here. 2, 3. Okay, I like it. Especially the low resistance liquidity building up on this end. I'll take it. So it'd be like it would go break even here. What is it? Is it a? It is a 5-minute. It's enough to take off half my position, and I'm gonna let it run higher. I'll take off another half of my position here. 15-minute tap, so I kind of like shorts. Honestly, I'm gonna close out 100% here because I'm starting to like shorts. Maybe we get this 3-minute inversion as short. Come on, give me the 3. Here's a 3. Because that was my like where I wanted to see. But also, after we tapped that daily, which I said it a couple days earlier in the other, not earlier, sorry, yes, earlier, like literally 10 minutes ago I said, or like 20 minutes ago I said, I want to see the price come down here for longs, and it did come here, and it looks so obvious with all that low resistance, and this 1 hour right above us, so obvious, and that like 3 drives pattern over here, low resistance liquidity above us, all above us. It looks so, and then the equal highs, like it looks too obvious for longs, and that's why I took the longs. But now I'm thinking, if we get, all right, let's see if we can tap into this 15-minute and reject higher. We tapped the 5-minute already. It's gonna go higher without us. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, yes, do something like that. No, no, not that, not that. Ah, yeah, it's gonna go higher without us, honestly. Well deserved, chat, right? 15 minutes still didn't inverse. Drop right here below these lows potentially. I need to see a fucking trade, dude. An actual good trade play out. Like, I'm obviously gonna long. I just need. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Not even a 5-minute, man. Come on, give me something. Dude, really? Sweep one low. Don't just. Okay, well, it's 257, so I don't know how much I could really even take that, but damn, we were pretty right though. Like we're coming up. We're only 6 points away from that high that I wanted to see take out. But damn, we should have held. Consolidation, yeah. Now it's gonna plummet. Dude, this market has been doing the opposite of what I'm saying. Well, yeah. I just want to see that hourly tap, bro, honestly. This is Asian. London. Yeah. Whatever. Pretty obvious trade though, honestly. It was obvious to me at least. Once again, equal highs. Oh, we did tap the hourly. Let's go. I was right. You see, it was just obvious with all that low resistance liquidity, like, and then the hourly above, and then we're tapping into a daily and a 4 hour fair value gap alongside the order block, and then on ES we're even more in a discounted fair value gap. We're all the way down here. We had SMT upon SMT with the 15 minutes over here. All these 15 minutes. We had hella SMTs, but regardless, or 5 minutes. Sorry. Pretty obvious trade. Let's go to the PM. No, AM. Okay, interesting. Yeah, equal those ran. Still in that 4 hour. Now we're even deeper. Oh, we're even deeper in the daily. Do I want a long still? I do. I do. I do. I do. A 15-minute unfilled above us. Oh, this 1 minute looks so fucking. Oh my god, equal highs above us. These equal highs up here. What was it? Oh yeah, equal highs up there. That's so obvious with the 15-minute. Yo, that is so obvious. I just hate trading so quickly after the market open. But market open, manipulator lower. Oh, this looks good. Break even at this other 1 minute fair value gap above us. Not a bad idea. We swept data low. SMT. Oh, buddy, you're killing me here. Oh, there wasn't data low, but there was an. Oh my god, dude. This just looks obvious. Okay, I'll do that. Place order. I'll do 0.5 for this trade. Yeah, there's my break even point. Unless we inversed it. I can't really take a break even if it's inversed. I don't know. This trade is getting out of hand, honestly. We tapped that 1 minute and then it inversed. Don't know if I would have went break even since we got the inversion. But now we ran out the first high. No, we didn't. Let me see. Is there an SMT on ES? There is a huge SMT on ES. Okay. Now that we did get the SMT, now I'm thinking, and then equal lows. Okay, well, yeah. Okay, so here's what's going on right now. We come up, we enter, right? And then thankfully we didn't get stopped out with this candle right here. Let me actually remove this. So we entered here. This candle went all the way down here, and I put my stop loss below the consequent encouragement of this wick, and then we respected this fair value gap, this inversion, which is strong key number one. Second one is this right here. I would have went break even if we just tapped this and wicked it or even closed inside of it. But the fact that we're inversing it looks pretty good to me. And then second candle now comes down and then closes still pretty good, right? Now it's looking like an order block, especially with this close above. And then we have this candle, normal candle, wick up. We didn't really take this wick out yet, but you know, it still looks nice. And then this candle, right? This is the most important one, to which is why I am now going to go break even. All the way over here, up until this candle right here, it's been looking pretty solid, right? This candle came down and made equal lows. And if you know, you are not supposed to be in a trade against equal lows. So now I'm gonna go break even. And if I get it, I get it, whatever. Bro, did we not tap my... There we go. Nice little TP. Yeah, but that was basically a rundown of how I would trade something like that specific. Yeah, that 1 minute, bro, inversion, that was the reason I didn't go break even. And then this equal low was the reason why I ended up going break even after we formed that candle. Otherwise, if we didn't form equal low right there, I would have continued going higher. In fact, we have so much low resistance liquidity Holy fuck, we do. That should have just been TP1. Holy shit, we have so, and then we have to rebalance this price. Oh man. Oh, we should have just taken TP1. Okay. Minute. Still respecting. 4 minute. Closes now, I believe, right? 4 minute just closed. After we took the equal lows. Fuck, that was my break-even point. Damn it. Oh, come on, bro. I'm not trading this shit. That would have been my like TP1 / break-even point. Still looks good, honestly, for continuation lower, I guess. I don't know, we got more. Yeah, that looked like it was gonna dump right there. Now 1 minute inversion, so I can't take it. Oh, that looks like it's just gonna go higher now. Bro, I keep switching my bias every second, but that's how I trade, honestly. Like, I come in with an actual bias, and then throughout the trading day, I just switch my bias depending on what the market's giving me. Because you can't marry a bias. If you marry a bias, I learned early on, that shit hurts. Like, it'll keep like being bad for you. 5 minute inversion. Oh no, not 5 minute inversion. Fuck, kind of want to. Damn it. I have a trade. It's gonna obviously run to that, and now I don't even have a fucking entry. Yeah, it runs right there. I hate when it does that, man. Come on. Oh, come on. Go down a little more. Just a little more. A little more. There it is. Okay. Give me that. Move higher. Okay, okay. Really? You inverse the 5 minute? Now I can't trade it. Fuck, that looks so good for longs, bro. Then we keep going higher. Damn it. Can't trade it because we inverse the 5. It's against my rules. What was... I told you it was obvious it was going to run it. Oh, that's a whack. Breaker. Damn. That was on point. I was on point with that. Alright, whatever. Let's go to the PM. Whole lot of nothing. That's what we got. We got a whole lot of nothing. Look at this market, dude. $15-minute inverse, but we have this 15-minute down here. Okay, we have relatively equal highs up here. We're still in the 4 hour, daily fair value gap and all that. I like it. Don't get me wrong, charts are looking good, especially with all that built up of low resistance liquidity. It's gonna end up plummeting. But you know, for now I kinda just want to see a little more higher price action. Go out now, I might just run higher. Yeah, I was right. But hold up. Yeah, technically we could just run higher right now. That's why I waited. If you get this one, it's gonna look good. Oh, come on. That's so obvious. Okay. So we had one more 15-minute tap. Is that a 3-minute as well? Almost a 3-minute. But I'm taking that. That looks so good. It's a 2-minute though. Fuck, it looks so good though. Oh man, it's a 2-minute. Oh man, that's my break-even point. I can't take it anymore because we hit the break-even point. Because that's where I would go break even right now. It's the most obvious trade. Damn it, man. It was a 2 minute. Like, come on, it was stupid. And it was a 3 minute actually. So I even traded it. That's so whack. It's just go, bro. Just go. Get up there. You know you want to just do it already without me. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we might take that though, because that was hourly. Still, they are really. Yeah, 5 minute below us. Nothing worth taking, honestly. Not even. Yeah, we couldn't even get the inversion, so nothing worth taking. I would even take this. Unless it's like a. There's a 3 minute. 42. 145 right there. Enough room for displacement lower though. I don't know, this market's low-key confusing me right now. Look at this, all these wicks and all that. You know, I'm still bullish because of all the things I talked about. Okay, I kind of like this long. I'm gonna take it up to that hourly up here. And this one over here, actually. Okay, so TP1, TP2, TP3. And then beyond that, we'll get TP4 all the way up here. But those are like the goals, I guess you could say. I know we'll get a retracement. And there's a retracement right there. I needed to enter right there. Fuck, I do need to enter there. Okay, I'll enter that one. Fuck it. Okay, reason I waited for that retracement, because it was like opening up a fair value gap, and it was obvious that it was gonna, like, because usually in moments like this where we run a little higher after we get this like kind of breaker formation, it just becomes obvious that we're gonna end up retracing, especially because we had all these green candles in a row. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we have this type of trade right here is good. We'll risk. I do want to risk 1%. So 0.7 is nice. Okay, we'll do 0.7. Also, I don't know. I'll take off 75% here and just go break even TP last up there. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. It's obvious that it's gonna keep going higher, right? But yeah, okay. Glad I took off there. Yeah, I entered off that retracement because it was. Where was I? Oh, yeah. So typically, dude, what I've noticed, one of the most important things I've noticed personally, is when I have like a formation like this, right? And we get close to our objective, but nonetheless, like even if we weren't close to our objective, right? Like we're targeting bullishness, and then we have a move like this where we have a breaker set up, and then we dig down into like whatever it may be, 15-minute, 5-minute, whatever that you're at. We dig down, and then we have like, where were we have a solid fair value gap that formed, especially since we had a bunch of green candles in a row. Like, look at this. Look at all these green candles. Look at them. And then you're gonna expect a little bit of a retracement. Like you have to. And if it ran out to our objective, whatever. You know, I wouldn't have taken it. It would have been my fault. But more likely than not, I was expecting a little retracement, and we got it right there. We got it right there, and then take it, go break even at this point, what you do, and then stop below this little order block. TP at like a 1-to-1, so a little nice 1% trade, I guess you could look at it as. But it's been definitely a really sketchy week, not to say to say the least. But the trades have been somewhat clear, I guess you could say. Alright, so we swept it. We're in the hourly. We tapped it. Order block is well above us. I don't think we tapped the order block. You know, overall, I'm still bullish, but the hourly fair value gap that we tapped into a 5-minute inversion is looking cleaner than a motherfucker right now. Wait, that 5 minutes low-key looking cleaner than a motherfucker. Oh, equal highs? Oh, yeah, GG's. I'm not taking anything. Super obvious. Like, that it was gonna dump. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now look at all these green candles. A little bit of a retracement, as I said. Alright, well, we took the equal highs now, so I can't really... Wait, did I just miss a huge trade? I mean, I can't take it. I have too much hindsight information for me to take now, but... Nah, I would have never taken it either way, because we inversed the 5-minute. Yeah, this is like a sketchy inverse. I still would have never taken it. But yeah, no, I'm good. Let's go to the AM session. Finish off the week. Sketchy ass week, bro. Dude, one of the things is when I backtest, right? Like, I feel like since I'm on live stream, I have to be very pinpoint in my trades. And well, in my actual live trades, this is exactly how I would trade it. Literally down to the dot. Like, this is literally, I'm looking at it as a real life market. And every time I take a trade, I have the same logic, same everything. And, you know, on FXReplay, sometimes you just move too quick. So that's why I use the FXReplay mode, and I tell you, okay, this is how I would have played this trade. Because when you're in live trading with a real account, 1 minute is 1 minute. Okay, 1 hour is 1 hour, a day is a day. Over here, I can run through an hour within 10 seconds of pressing control space. So when I'm doing that and I'm just pressing control space, control space, I'm usually just like speeding through it so quickly. And then I sometimes, majority of the time, catch myself right before a trade happens, you know? Or like sometimes I wait for a setup, sometimes I don't, you know, whatever it may be. But moments that I use FXReplay, it seems like a gray area, and like to those watching this live stream, it's for me to journal my trades. It's simply that. It's just for me to journal my trades, thought process behind it, everything. If you don't like the FXReplay mode, I don't know what to tell you. I need to use it, especially when I'm going break even in a trade, because FXReplay does not have limit orders, so I can't go break even, and then sometimes it wicks my break even. I'm not in a real life market for me to trail my stop as soon as we go to that break even point. I can't do it. It's impossible with FXReplay. If it's possible, I've never learned how. But it's like the wicks, as you can see on a 1 minute basis. I can't control the wicks. Like here, if let's say this point right here was my break even, right where my cursor is. I have to go where the candle closes, because that's how the FXReplay works. Is it depends on market close, like right here. All right, let's say my break even was there, right? I can't control the close, you know, and I can't trail my stop because it shows a full candle closure. You know what I'm saying? It shows a full candle closure, so I have to sometimes use my FXReplay to go break even, and replay mode, sorry, to go break even. And like some of you might find that unfair, but I mean, no one's really gonna be watching this. Like, well, no one's gonna be watching it right now, so I don't really give a fuck, you know. And I'm live trading on live stream as well. I will be, at least very soon. Like, you know, I know how it looks. I know FXReplay looks like, when I use the replay mode, it looks sketchy. But honestly, like, because I've been noticing, like, okay, well, I probably should explain why I use the replay mode, because I need to go break even. All right, I need to go back and take a certain trade that I know I would have taken, and this, I'm showing you my analytics based on exactly what I would take and exactly what I would do. And you've noticed sometimes I go in a trade, like earlier today, I went in a trade with 1%. Like, where was it? I think it was this one. or no, it was this one over here. I went in a trade with 1%. I wouldn't have taken that trade with 1%. And that was a huge hit. I would have taken it with 0.7 probably, or 0.5, 0.7 maybe. Um, but I still took it. You know, I'm like, you know what? I did it. I'm gonna just take it. Whatever. I took it. I'm more lenient, honestly, in FXReplay with my losses than I am with my wins. Um, like I think you've noticed that by now. Like sometimes I'm like, oh shit, that would have been my TP2 right there. Those equal highs would have been my TP2, but I don't take it, right? I don't go back and take it. I'm like, you know what, fuck it, you know what, I did that, whatever. The only times I really do use FXReplay are for to go back and get break evens, and give me a second, sorry. Yeah, the only times I would use FXReplay is to go back, take break evens, and enter a trade that I would have entered. Um, and that's pretty much it, honestly. I needed to like say that real quick to anyone watching in the future, because I know there's going to be a lot of people watching, and there's going to be a lot of people saying, oh, like, oh, you manipulated the FXReplay stats. No, I didn't. You could look at every single trade I took, right? And then you could, if I used FXReplay mode to use it, you know, I keep saying FXReplay instead of replay mode. And if I use the replay mode to use it, ask yourself, why did he use it? Is this his model still? Answer is yes. Every single trade I've taken is simply my model. It's my model that I use now. It's my model that I'll use tomorrow. It's my model that I used yesterday. And this model is pretty good. It has an extremely high win rate when you use it right, and when you're actually backtesting on the software FXReplay, you'll have to use the replay mode if you want to be exactly accurate in how you trade, how you are. And this is simply just to journal my trades and how I would trade them, etc. But yeah, that's why I use FXReplay. You know, I just wanted to say that for the future, for who's watching. If you disagree with it, I really don't give a fuck. Like genuinely, you know, I can't really help you out. If FXReplay was like better with it being able to set limit orders and being able to actually see the candles move around, and like I don't know how they would do that. It seems like more complicated, because I still like how FXReplay works. Like the actual software, I like how it works. I like how they have everything where it's like the 1 minute closure. But you know, like right now, let's say this now retraces lower, I would have went break even already above this wick, but the wick doesn't show the wick. You know what I'm saying? Like the wick doesn't show it forming. It just shows it after the candle has closed. So I can't really trade it. I can't like trade it how I would in a real life market. So replay mode comes in a lot in handy when you're trading in FXReplay. I talked for way too long. To wrap it up, FXReplay, the replay mode on FXReplay is very handy when it comes to being as accurate as you are, like to be exactly who you are, when it comes to trading, like to take your model. This is backtesting your model. This is what it is. Like you see your model present, you're like, oh shit, there's my model right there. Oh fuck, I went a few minutes ahead. Fuck, let me go back and take it. You see what I'm saying? It's simply just when you see your model present, you're backtesting your model and making sure this shit works. And yeah, that's simply what it is to me. I just needed to get that off my chest, so it doesn't seem that shady to like the people that are watching. I know I use it often, but hey, they added that feature for a reason, right? Okay, last day here. We have a fair value gap above us, and like I have been for the past week, I've been bullish, and we've been making money off bulls. It's funny, and then all 3 days I've been red. Okay, like red as in downwards. Anyways, 4 hour fair value gap tapped already. Um, I have this daily up here. I like it, but since we're in that 4 hour, I don't know. Honestly, you just gotta see how it plays out. But I want to, take my foot off the gas for this week, specifically. I mean, for this day specifically. But look at this. This is beautiful. Okay. Okay. We need to see a retracement before tapping that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Fucking, of course. Why would the market give me a trade? You know? Oh, come on. Did we? Okay, we swept the break even. I wouldn't have even taken that. Damn it. Oh, it's so obvious though. Order block, order block wick tapped. Fuck, that would be so obvious. But yeah, it's I wouldn't have. I can't enter it anymore. You took my break even point. And right there, you see, I used FX replay mode to go back to this candle because once again, you cannot, you know, trade it like it's a real life market. It has real life data, but it's not like every second is a second, you know. But anyways, I used FX replay mode and I didn't take the trade because it is not my model because we took the break even point right here. So basically, if we had closed like right here, I would have went break even after we swept this, and there's a 5-minute right here as well. So that's like that would have been my TP1 right here, honestly. But yeah, okay. So let's see. This might be an early entry. 10 a.m. is in 1 minute, so I can't really take it either. Yeah, it's running without me. Fuck. 5-minute fair value gap, or 4-minute, sorry, fair value gap right there, which actually inverse now. So if I were to take it, which I'm not, if I were, it'd be like this, and then daily fair value gap up here. But we already met our objective, which was that 15-minute with equal highs, so I'm not really interested in anything. But it looks good for continuation higher, but too much inefficiencies, and it's a Friday. I'm gonna just watch it. Yeah, there's my break even point right there, and I would have gone break even. Yeah, sometimes my model is present like this, but I don't know. Maybe if we saw that 15-minute top, I would have probably just wanted to see keep going lower. We're at a 5-minute, 4-minute inversion. We even, yeah, we didn't really close below the. I mean, we closed below the mean threshold of it. Maybe if it was above the mean threshold, we would have taken it. I don't know. I just didn't feel confident in that trade. Either way, we got break even, so it doesn't matter. Wait, I think there's a potential 4-minute short. 1 minute. Okay, I guess not. 5-minute right there, I think. Yeah. Oh, respected. Okay. Guess where's gonna run to it. Oh. Let me go back here. See, sometimes shit like that just happens way too quick. Like, how am I supposed to catch? I'm so used to like the market going so slow. Alright, let me see. Would I take anything here? So we're still in that hour. Also 4-hour. The daily looks good, but I don't think we'll take it today. I think we'll take it the next trading week. 5 minutes right there. Still can't take it unless it's a 5-minute, and the break. If I were to even take this, that would be my break even point. So no, I can't take this, which is okay, you know, whatever. No, leaks. I don't know. I wouldn't take anything. I'm just gonna watch the market how it plays. But to give my prediction, either we take that low or we consolidate until 11 o'clock. Hey, we took it right at that, right before 11. Nice, pretty accurate. Once again, pretty accurate. I just wouldn't take any trades there. All right, let's go to the. I want to see how this plays. That looks kind of like it. I don't want to higher. Hella chop. All right, let's go to. We're in the PM now. Huge move down. Tapping that 15-minute sweep the sell side. I wouldn't take it, but because it's a Friday PM, I don't trade Friday PMs. It's against my model. Oh, look at that 5-minute inversion. That's such a shitty 5-minute inversion. Look at that. That's terrible. So I wouldn't even take it, but Yeah, it was looking like it was kind of short. Pretty obvious. All right, let's go to the. Sorry, I really I was interested in how this day would go. Interesting. All right, let's go to the. I wouldn't. I just wanted to see how it was, but I would have stopped trading. I mean, I didn't even take a trade. I told you guys way ahead of time. I wouldn't trade it Friday, like this Friday, because we're ahead on the account and I want to call it quits for today. All right, let's. Oh, we're in a 15-minute. It's just gonna move. It's 9. I mean, I don't even trade it, but because it's Monday a.m., I'm gonna go straight to the PM. All right, let's go. Show nav bar backtesting dashboard. Analytics. Okay, we're up almost 50% on the account. Currently up 1.65%, which is understandable considering the losses we took on that week. 64% win rate. Dashboard. I just want to show what is. I'll continue. Okay. Yeah, it looked pretty it was pretty rough with this week, honestly, especially with that 2.3k loss and then 1.1 right after. That was heavy. That was a huge hit. That was like a 2% hit. Or more than that actually, because 1.5k is 1% of the account. So totaling this to oh shit, that was like 2.5k. I mean 2.5%. Nah, it'd have been like 2.25 probably, because this is 3,000. Let's say 3,500 here. Yeah, it'd have been like 2.25. So rough day, bro. Really rough day. Oh wait, we took this dub, so let's just say 1.5 because we took that dub. Offset some, yeah. We lost 1.5% that day, and then we took another hit right here, and we lost even more. Luckily, we made money back pretty quickly. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, I can't do the math on that, bro. My brain's not working. I'm tired. I gotta go to sleep. AM session is in like 6 hours. All right, bye bye.